it's lost in here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an arrow machine gun, or minigun's another word for it, in Minecraft. So first of all, I need to show you the skin I created for LG Vlogs. Here's the back. It has the hoodie, a YT for YouTube, and then a suit. Then ready for the front, it says LG Vlogs YT for YouTube. Then it has the headphone has a mic, and it's a rainbow creeper. Tell me in the comments if you like it or not. If you don't, I'll change it. Then it has the headphones. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is use any block. I'm gonna pick the iron block, and you need to basically build a transferring like redstone tower, redstone lamp tower. It's hard for me to explain what it's called, but if you don't know how to make it, just watch me. But instead of doing it like that, you just need to do it like that instead. And then you need to put one redstone lamp there, one redstone lamp there, and one redstone lamp there. No, actually one there, and one there. And then one there and one there, like that. And then next thing you're going to need to do is to put a dispenser on both sides, like that. And then you're going to need to, well, you don't need to do this, but I just like doing this, even though you don't need to. I like putting like a shield around the dispensers to like make it look cool. See, like it makes it look more professional. And then you could put one there. And then put the lever right there. But let me take off the shield for now, and I'll add it back later so we can see it work. And then we're going to need to get some arrows. Yeah, I actually forgot something. There's also needs to be a dispenser right there. So now I'm going to search up the arrows. No, I'm just going to do it. Never mind. Wait. So then you could do as much stacks as you want, but don't do that yet because there's something I need to show you later. So then put the arrows in, one in each, and then press the lever. See, that time it made that one shoot, and press it again, and it made those two shoot. And it's, wait, what's it doing? I don't think it put 64 arrows in. But it should keep firing the arrows. Wait, there should be a faster way to do this. Never mind. Wait. I'll just give myself 1,000 arrows. That should be enough, definitely. So then, because I need more than just these 3 stacks for later. So then put those in, and then it should just keep firing them. See, 2, 1, 2. Also, after I'm done with the rest, I'll add a target. So now we can add the shield back on. Actually, we shouldn't put them on those. And then I need to get this hopper and get the chest for the next thing I'm going to show you guys. So then you have to sneak and place a hopper on each of these, like that, for something. And then you're going to have to sneak again for a second to put a second one on that. And then you're going to put block of iron, put a block of iron there, but you don't need to yet. And then you need to keep doing this and then expand it to the side, like that a little. I'm just gonna expand on this side also because I like my structures to be even in Minecraft. So then you make like a repeater thing. So if you don't know how to make it, I'll show you. You put a block of any sort there, redstone, and then put redstone there, then put a repeater, put on 4 ticks, put redstone there, and then redstone there, like that. See, and it keeps repeating. I'm going to break that because I don't need it for right now. And then I need to get this dropper out. And then put droppers on all of those. And that to go into them. Wait. There. So then you have to build like up around the hoppers so the arrows like won't go out of that area and will go into the hoppers, which is very important for what's going to happen. Wait, let me get some glass actually. I'm going to put glass on this part so you can like see it happening. And then you need to put arrows in each of them. Just put like you don't have to put all, but I will, so we'll do them for a while. Here. 1,000, so there's some more. All of them are in that one. Sorry it's taking so long to do this, and then do the same thing for this one. They should make it to where in creative you can put unlimited amount of stuff in stacks. So then you have to put the redstone lamp back into that, and it will keep dropping arrows into the hoppers, like putting them in the hopper, and it will put them into there. See, it's putting more into that. Should be putting more into that. Putting more into that. Why is it won't?
Finally, after some time and a lot of time thinking and trying to figure out how to get it to work, I finally figured it out.
So then maybe you should so it's like automatically constantly filling them. That's why I added that. So it can automatically fill them all. I think you guys would also like that. So you won't run out of supply anytime soon. Right? And then also if you ever need to resupply those, you should put a chest down here where you put a bunch of arrows in. I'll just put in more later. So now let's move on to the target part. So you could get any colored glasses you want for the target. Wait, I'm looking up a picture of a target real quick on my iPad. Sorry. so I can know what the main light colors are. So there's not really specific ones, but you can pick any color you really want to do for this. But I'm just going to do red and then blue. Sorry, that's the printer, it's doing something. So I'll do red, yellow, and then blue. So then go out a little bit from it and then do, not that glass, sorry. Do like lots of glass. Sorry that the printer's doing that. I don't know why it's doing that. Then do that. So you could do any color in any order you want them to. But then I will just do, but then put it like across from this. Mom! Your printer just randomly started. Oh, yes, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry, I just wanted to know everything was okay. Okay, so you probably heard that. I was checking. Everything was okay, viewers. And then for this last one, just try doing it like that instead. So you'll know it went in as the target. And then you don't have to, but I would like put another layer of like this on the back part of it. Just for like decoration from the back side and stuff. And then, but on this side, on the rim, you should probably, if you do white, just put white around it on the back. Only for white, because you can't really see through the other ones as easily. And it just makes it look cooler. So I'm doing this just to look cooler also for more decoration. Get an item frame, and then get stairs. I'll do smooth stone stairs. They should really add glass stairs to Minecraft, that'd be cool. Then put them on all of those sides, like that, and then, wait, /time, set, day. Okay, and then just make them all be facing towards the middle. Like that. And do it for all of them. If you want, you could put like a block in the middle one, but I don't want to. I like how that is. So then that looks kind of cool. So then I'm going to just fire a bunch of rapid fire ones. So I'll show you how fast it takes to shoot a bunch. I think it shot down the item frame. Fine, just don't see how much I shot. I guess don't do the item frame then, since the arrows take them down. So there's no point in them, I guess. Sorry. I did not know it would do that. But you probably saw much. Just watch how. You can see how long it takes me to do it. And then look how much arrows shoot out. Isn't that? I feel like that's kind of rapid fire, right? And then if you want, you could close out the redstone over there and put an entrance to like turn off that if you need to fix any part. So to conclude the video, I just think that's really cool, and you guys can make it at home if you want. That's why I made the videos, so to show you guys how to make them. I hope you enjoyed today's video of LG Vlogs, where Awesome meets you, and I'm signing off. I'm Lawson, I'm signing off. Bye.